Ever built a microservice app where every service talks to the client directly and suddenly it's just too chaos, too many moving parts, too many calls, and when something breaks, good luck figuring out where. But what if instead of that mess, there was one smart gateway that handled everything for you? Routing, security, and even converting data formats and all in one place. That's the API gateway. And in the next 2 minutes, I will show you exactly how it works and why it's a total game changer. In a microservice setup, you have got a tons of small services doing specific tasks, but how do clients talk to them efficiently, securely, and reliably? Enter the API gateway, the front door to your microservices world. It's a single entry point that handles client requests and routes them to the right services. As you can see in diagram from users, say it's web or mobile, and via that the requests are going through API gateway before reaching the microservices. The API gateway does a lot of heavy lifting. First is the aggregation that combines multiple services response into one. Offloading, it shifts that tasks like auth or validation away from the services. Routing, it directs the traffic based on paths or headers. Transformation, it converts the request or response formats as needed. Security, it adds centralized encryption, authentication, and rate limiting. Think of an e-commerce app. Rather than the client talking to five services directly, all requests are hitting the gateway, which handles everything smartly and efficiently. The result: simpler client logic, better performance, tighter security, and smoother scaling. If you're designing microservices, the API gateway is your best friend. Like this quick explainer, hit that like button, subscribe, and drop your system design questions below. See you next time. Until then, take care.